a 577 Tyrannosaur, a Hannibal model from A Square Rifle Company. Gun company.
What's it weigh?
Gun weighs 14 pounds. The bullets are 750 grain bullets, about 2,500 feet per second, about 10,000 to 11,000 pounds of.
Okay, and we're shooting at 100 yards here.
Energy.
Okay, I want GM's or General Motors to notice the nice condition of their vehicle.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Okay, what was the kick like, Ray?
It was good. It took it out of my hand.
It did.
Yeah.
How can you say it's not gonna?
There's gunpowder.
Hey, see, he's... Not, oh, you shot through the blanket.
Is it on fire? wait. The blast ripped that blanket to shreds.
Oh my god!
That was worth it. That was worth the $14 shot. The other shells are 14 bucks a piece.
Not, oh, you shot through the blanket.
Okay, the first shot's the one in the center of the camera now. There's the second shot.
Come on, I'll take you inside, okay?
Okay, here is the back of the tree. There's the first shot right there, and there's the second one.
Oh my god!
It went through a 24-inch tree. That's at least, yeah, that's 24.
Yeah, at least that.
Yeah, it penetrated a 24-inch poplar tree.